In today's session, I'm going to take you through different kind of tools, and with me here, I have different types of tools. Here we have the measuring tools. These are the measuring tools. Here are the marking tools. These ones are the marking tools. Then here we have the driving tools, which are of different kinds. Then this one is holding tools. This one we have some holding tools, but for now I have only this as one of the driving tools, the holding tools. I mean, then we have the cutting tools here. These are the cutting tools. Okay. Okay. So as we have talked about the different kind of tools, I'm going to start with the measuring tools. With me here, I have a tape measure. This is a measuring tool which is used to measure long distances. For example, if you want to know the distance of this table from here to here, you are using this tape measure, and it's give you the measurement as 20 as 2 feet around yes 2.5 feet on that. Then we also have, this is a steel rule. A steel rule, it is used to measure short distances. For example, if you want to measure a distance of a workpiece, you can use it to measure from here to here. You get 95% millimeters. So this is usually in millimeters. Then apart from this steel rule, we have engineering square, whereby this engineering square, it is used to measure angles. For example, if you want to know the angle of a workpiece, it's 90 degrees. You're using to measure it like this one, this way. And apart from the engineering square, we have, this is a spirit level, which is used to measure the surfaces of to measure surfaces. And if you are measuring a surface, for you to know that the surface is at a good level, or at a slant, in a slant level, you should be able to check on the water level here on this one, and it gives you the correct measurement. Okay, that's all about the measuring tools. To go to the marking tools, on the marking tools we have a pencil. This is a pencil, whereby a pencil, it is used to mark wood, when marking woods, when you are measuring a distance, or when you are taking measurements. So you are marking some woods. That's for the pencil. This is a scriber. The scriber, it is used to mark both metals and woods, and it can be used like this way, that is the scriber. So you can have this kind of a line. Then apart from the scriber, we have the center punch, and this center punch, we can use this center punch to locate a certain point on a work. So as we have said, this is used to make a mark on a workpiece when you want to drill. So you can have this way, and so this might be your what? This might be the mark you have made using a center punch. Then here we have the cutting tools. On these cutting tools, this is a hand file. This is a hand file for smoothing surfaces of any metal, or anything. Then we have this so this is the axle. You should when you are tightening this axle, the teeth of the axle should be away from you. So I'm going to demonstrate how you're supposed to fix it on this. So supposed to fix it in this way. So then when you are cutting something, you should cut it only forward, not forward and backward, but it's only forward. So after here, I'm going to demonstrate. This is one of the holding tools, and this is a G clef. So this is a G clamp, and I'll demonstrate how to use this G clamp. This is used for holding materials, maybe for example holding this kind of a a workpiece. So you can hold it in this way. So you hold it tightly so that it can't be shakable. So it is firm. Then apart from holding this holding materials, you can also G clamp for separating things. This is the G clamp, and if you want to separate some of things, for example, you're supposed to open this part. So opening that part and fix it in this way. This is how you fix it. Then after fixing it that way, then you just for example this. Yeah, this is how to separate things, and it is being separated in this way. About the G clamp, it's only that. So the last type of tool is the driving tools, and I would like to show you how I would like to demonstrate how uh, being used. For example, this is how it is used to drive nails. This is a screwdriver used to driving the screws. These are the Allen keys, and I use it to drive out hexagonal shape bolts. For example, here you can put it on here and drive out the bolt here. That that's it. And after you have driven out the bolt, you're supposed to return it on its position, like the way I'm doing right now here. Return it. Then we have these spanners here, and these spanners can be used. So these spanners are used to hold or to remove also some bolts. For example, this kind of a spanner, and use it to remove this kind of a bolt here. The spanner. Okay, that's it about the spanners. Also, we have this one, this other one here. So with me here, I have the ratchet set, and it has different tools whereby they can be used for different dimensions. Okay, so on these tools you can use to adjust in any of the. So on this ratchet set here, we have these are used to check on the dimension of a bolt. For example, with me here, I have a 15 millimeter bolt. I want to loosen it, so I'm going to check on a 15 millimeter. Okay, I found it. This one. This is the 15 millimeters, and I remove it. Uh, you adjust on here. Well, adding it on here, you need to do like that, and remove. At this position, this one is on a neutral. It can move in any direction, but in this direction, which is on the left hand side, if you want to loosen a bolt, and on the right hand side, if you want to tighten a bolt. So for example, to me here, I want to loosen a bolt, so I'll push this mark into the left hand side, and put it on the position. so I can open the bolt that way. So it is being opened. So if I want to close the bolt, I need to return this one into the right hand side, then I put it on there and turn it that way. So now it's okay. So this is how to remove it. If you want to remove it, need to push it there, then you return it where you have take it. Then this one, if you want to open a bolt in a hole, so you need to add it in this way. Then so this one, if you have joined it here, you can take any of the dimensions here. For example, to me, I would like to use the 10mm bolt. I want to remove it, so I'll take it, this one, then I'll join it on here. So I join it on here, then you remove the bolt in a hole. This is how you're supposed to do it. So this marks the end of our session today. Thank you.